1 year and 3 months passed, during which Lucy was never sure when La Guillotine might take her husband's head. She had arranged the little home as if her husband lived there normally or was expected to come home any day. But in her heart, she held more despair than hope. So, 1 year and 3 months was passed. Charles Darnay was in prison, and Lucy, she has arranged a little home, and she was quite hopeful that Charles may return one day and they are going to live happily ever like a family. But more than hope, she is having doubt that whether Charles is going to be released from that prison or not. One day, her father returned with some good news. There is a window in the prison high up where Charles may be able to see you between 2 and 4 every day. Oh, show me the place, father. From that day on, in sun, rain, or snow, Lucy went to the one spot outside the prison where she believed Charles would be able to see her. So one day, Dr. Manette returned and he said to Lucy that in the prison where Charles was kept, there was a window. Between 2 to 4, it might be possible that you will be able to see Charles. So from that day, when Dr. Manette said this thing to Lucy started continuously, she started visiting that spot from which spot she'll be able to see Charles Darnay, or Charles may be able to see Lucy. Whatever is the condition, whether it is sun, rain or snow, whatever it is, Lucy used to went to that place outside the window, and she was having the belief that Charles would be able to see her there. At that spot, there was a shop owned by an old woodcutter. He saw her there every day and he often spoke to her. On one particular day, as she waited in the snow that lay thickly all around, a large crowd carrying knives, axes, came rolling down in the street. In the midst of the bloodthirsty mob, Lucy spied Mem Defarge urging them on to attack. Then behind them, she saw her father. Lucy, I thought I had found you here. Good news. They are taking Charles to the conciergerie. They'll be looking into his case. There is a hope at last. He took her by the shoulder and they walked home with some hope in their hearts for the first time in many months. So, the spot that was told by Dr. Manette to Lucy, that from that spot Charles might be able to see you. On that's one day, Lucy was on that spot, and there was also a woodcutter. He daily used to see that Lucy used to come there on that spot. So he saw her every day and they both became familiar with each other. So one day when Lucy was waiting in the snow and she was waiting that Charles might be able to see her, suddenly what she heard, what she saw, a large crowd was marching in the midst of the forest. They were having weapons like knives, axes, and they were bloodthirsty. They can attack anyone and they can end anyone's life within minutes. Lucy, she heard what Ma'am Defarge said. She was just motivating the people so that they can attack in a very fierce manner. Then Lucy saw that behind that mob, Dr. Manette was there. So Dr. Manette, he said to Lucy that I came with the good news. And what is that good news? That good news is that Charles, they are going to shift Charles. So now they are going to look into his case, and there is a hope that now the Charles is going to be released soon.